In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Figma. If you prefer working in a different language or you're sharing a device with someone who does, switching Figma's interface language is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it and point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Figma. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app. The process is the same in both. Once you're in the main Figma home screen, look toward the upper left corner of the window. That area has your account controls. It may show your avatar or your initials. Click there to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens your account settings page, where you can adjust preferences that affect how Figma looks and behaves for you. We're interested in the language section here, which makes changing the interface language easy and reversible. On the settings page, find and click Change Language. This brings up the language selector. You'll see a list of available languages that Figma supports. Select the one you want to use. As you choose, keep in mind that this change affects the Figma interface, things like menus, buttons, dialogues, and tooltips. It doesn't translate the text inside your design files, comments, or any content you've typed onto the canvas. Those remain exactly as you or your collaborators wrote them. After you've picked the language you want, click Save. Figma will apply your choice right away. You may notice the interface refresh briefly as the new language loads. When it comes back, your menus and panels should now appear in the language you selected. If something doesn't update immediately, navigating to another page in Figma or reopening the app usually completes the refresh. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. This is a personal preference, so it only changes the interface for your account. Team members working with you won't be affected by your change, and they can choose their own preferred language independently. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these same actions and select a different language. Also, some keyboard shortcuts and spellings in tooltips may vary slightly by locale, so if a shortcut feels unfamiliar after the change, that could be why. And that's it. You opened Figma, used the account menu in the upper left, went into Settings, clicked Change Language, selected your preferred option, and saved. You're all set to design in the language that suits you best.